This hitch installation guide is for a Jeep Wrangler model number CQT76104. You will need the following tools to complete this installation. If the clearance between the muffler and the cross member is less than 3 inches, then you will need to lower the muffler with exhaust removal pliers. If there is a weld slag, then remove it before installation. First, raise the hitch into position and align to the existing holes in the cross member. Next, make sure the conical tooth washers are teeth side against the hitch. Install the 4 bolts. Next, install the hex flange lock nuts. Tighten with wrench and socket until they are firmly in place. Set your torque wrench to 75 foot-pounds and tighten all 4 fasteners. The installed specifications of this hitch are: from pinhole to the outside of the spare tire is 7 inches. The measurement from the top of the receiver to the ground is 18 3/4 inches. The center of the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 1 inch. The receiver extends out 1.25 inches from the rear bumper. If you are not comfortable or unsure on this installation, please visit any of our 1,500 U-Haul locations for a professional hitch installation.